We have all heard about the VWAP indicator. It's the volume weighted average price. VWAP indicator is plotted in a specific way. It starts at the opening of the day and it plots throughout the range of the day. You can do the same thing for a weekly time period or a monthly time period. But there is a special kind of VWAP that you can plot on any time frame chart and start at any time frame, and it will plot till the end of the price data. That VWAP is called as anchored VWAP. Most of the people don't use this indicator correctly, but in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can use the anchored VWAP indicator to improve your trading. So if you want to learn more about anchored VWAP, watch this video till the end. Give it a thumbs up, the algorithm likes it. Is the VWAP of the day for the first hour less reliable? No, it's not like that. The context is more important. So if I look at this and we are trying to go higher, and if I bounce from this VWAP, okay, we did not bounce from this VWAP. If we bounce from this VWAP and in the process, let's say give a no supply, that is a good place to trust this VWAP. But now you're below this VWAP and you just have to look at the opposing references, right? If the market wants to go higher, what are the references that are going to create resistance? If market wants to go lower, what are the references that are going to create support? That you have to see. Here, if market wants to go higher and it bounces from this support, that is a good sign. We go below that, it's not a good sign. But is it enough? If you're expecting lower prices from here, what are the next areas that can provide support? This VWAP, all right? Then we have this lower distribution. We had this micro balance, which we could never go below. You can see here. Did we find acceptance below this micro balance? No, not at all. So if that is not happening, how can you think about a short trade? Because yeah, intraday, this VWAP, okay, look at it this way. This VWAP is considering price action from this opening to this point. So this is, let's say 1 hour or even less than that. Now, this VWAP is representative of average of all traders position from opening to this point. So now if I put this anchored VWAP here, okay. So now what you are saying is that once we go below this VWAP, all the traders who have bought here are trapped. Okay, fine. They're not much, right? But now you look at this, if you look at the anchored VWAP from this point, and let's say we start accepting below this, then everyone who bought here, their average price is here. And if the VWAP is getting pulled up, what it means that we are getting good volumes at higher levels. So lots of the long positions whose average price is here are kind of clustered in this higher zone. And now if we start accepting below that, a lot of traders are trapped as against, right? So if you're trying to go against a so-called short-term trend, you need to be very confident. Now see what is happening here. If you just take this point only, we have a rejection. What is happening here? We are now creating doubts in the minds of traders who were buying from this point onwards. Why I am not very keen on longs? Well, I looked at different things on the chart, but now if you even look at this average price, this is very easy to understand. Now you see what is happening. There is a struggle right at the average price. Look at what happened on earlier occasions. Immediate rejection, immediate rejection, immediate rejection. We did not even come close to it. See the strength of the rejection. What is happening? Buyers are rejecting strongly every time we come close to that average price. Now what is happening? Why we did not reject like this? Because now there is some doubt in the minds of traders, like what is happening, right? And now you have to also look at traders who might have created short positions. Now what is happening? See, rejection, rejection. So every time we are going close to that anchored VWAP, we are getting rejected. So this point onwards, you are seeing that the balance is kind of tipping to the side of the sellers. This was their last line of defense. Not last line, but an important line of defense. Now, what is happening? See, struggle is there. Buyers are not able to hold a VWAP, sellers are. So, what does that tell you? Who's winning? Obviously, sellers. Now, does that give you immediate license to sell? No, you can sell at this VWAP. I would even prefer for it to go a little lower. Let both the anchored VWAP and the days VWAP come in sync and then try to sell here. That will be even low risk and high probability trade. All right. So let us see if that happens. What will tell you that sellers are not really controlling? This is just a pullback. If we go above this anchored VWAP, what does that tell you? That all the sellers who are selling from this point, now we are above their average price and they are under pressure, and that will push them to cover. That will give you a good long term. So, what I'm trying to highlight here is that you can look at the same information in 100 different ways. As long as you understand the trader behavior, you are going to pick up the right clues. And if you are not focusing on the trader behavior and you are looking at any mathematical calculation, what is VWAP at the end of that? Is just a bloody average. It does not have any superpowers. As long as you put context on it, as long as you try to understand the trader behavior leading to these structural developments on the chart, that is where things change. All right. So I hope that helps. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate it. Now, if you like the content that I have shared so far, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get updated about future videos I'm going to share on this channel. Also, if you like the content I'm sharing in these videos, then I am sharing a ton more in my free complete trading framework newsletter. The link is in the description. Please do sign up for the newsletter. It's completely free. I don't sell you anything. It's just pure knowledge bombs dropping on you every week. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.